Rice balls, omutuo, emutu, tue, or emunchui is a popular dish enjoyed by Ghanaians, especially on Sundays. They enjoy this with some enthusiasm, and that is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, this is Lena and welcome. So I have with me here my rice. I washed very well. I've added some salt and water. I'll go ahead and let it be on fire. But before that, I give it a stir, okay? So I don't like covering my rice from the beginning. So I'll just leave it on fire till it gets to the point we are going to cover this. If today is the first time here, please do not make it the first and the last of visiting. After watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much. So this is the point that I'm going to cover my rice, okay? I'll cover it, and when it becomes a bit dry, I'll just go ahead and continue with the procedure. When preparing plain rice, you always cook this with your heat and then with small water. But with this, we added a lot of water to it so that it can become very soft and also easy for us to stir. So now this is how it looks, and we are not going to drive this to become very smooth because they want to see some rice in there. I have not tasted rice balls before, but maybe very soon. That is just by the way, and the family really enjoyed this. Yes, so now I'll just go ahead and then play with it small before I start driving it with some seriousness, because I don't want to mess the place, okay? Yes, so now after playing with it just like how you are seeing on the screen, now I'll go ahead and drive it with some seriousness so that I can bring the rice together to get the ball. When you want to put this for a longer period, I mean, if you want to preserve it for a very long time, you make sure you add some salt to it. That is according to my husband. But if you want to keep it for a very short time, then you can prepare it without the salt, okay? I added salt because I know very well that they can't eat all this. So now our rice is almost done. And are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. And please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Now our rice ball is ready. We will go ahead and mold it into a ball, okay? You can mold it anyhow that you want. I am going to use the rubber. Please do not tell me it is not good though. Yeah, I know very well, okay? Yeah, that's just by the way. So yeah, it is God's own protection. It is ready, and enjoy with any soup of your choice. Thank you for watching.